A beverage company wanted to see if the people in the United States liked their new logo. Which choice best represents population? Population is everybody, and we're talking about in the United States. So, logo artist is not everybody. Every person in the United States. Let's check that one for right now. Shoppers from different states. That doesn't include everybody. And remember, population is everybody. Children. And so it would be every person in the United States. A musician wanted to see what people who bought his last album thought about the songs which best represent a sample. So my population is who bought his last album. That's the population. So we need to have part of the population. So every person who bought the album, that's the population. Okay, and remember, like rappers and other people, they get platinum, which means like 1 million records or something like that. It's like a wow amount. A selection of people who didn't want to buy the album. Well, you can't get what they thought about it if they didn't buy it, so that's not. Girls who bought the album. Well, I like the bought the album, but the girls, that's too small. A selection of people who bought the album. That looks like a manageable amount, and they're boys and girls and of all ages. So we're going to go with this because a sample is part of the population. Before a nationwide election, a polling place was trying to see who would win. Which choice best represents a sample? So, polling place. Who would win? Okay, a selection of voters over 85. That seems like I don't get the young ones. Male voters, that doesn't seem like I get the female opinion. Selecting of voters of different ages, I like that. All of the above. Let's see, I'd like them over 50. I'd like males. I like this one. I like this one more. A selection. Different ages. Okay. Snack bar at the local swim club wants to add some items to what is already offered to the members. The snack bar employees survey every 5th member who places an order at the snack bar about which of the items they would prefer them to add. The results of the survey are shown. Based upon the results, order 100 additional snacks. How many of them would be soft pretzels? Right now I'm going to say a lot, but I'm going to come and a lot, because soft pretzels is more. I'm going to come back to this problem. Let's see. 33, 9 is 40. 2 and 78 is 0. 120. 100. We're going to come back to that problem.